Click Create Machine to select the machine used for the active job. By default, the machines are sorted by manufacturer. If toggled off, they are sorted alphabetically. Click a manufacturer to see their available machines. Select a machine from the list. Click the Post Settings tab to enable or disable specific options for the selected machine. Output unit, sequence numbering, rapid positioning, and fixed cycles are a few examples of what post settings control. The output unit converts the NC code to the unit set here, regardless of what unit the job was built in. Sequence numbering is commonly used to either quickly add lines of code in between and reference other lines of the program or call subprograms. The movement group box defines the rapid positioning and rapid rate, along with determining the planes in which the toolpath arcs are fitted. Canned cycle settings are found in fixed cycles. If a machine supports canned cycles, they are enabled by default. Click OK to accept the machine. Click the ellipsis to access the machine's context menu with options to edit, duplicate, or delete.